Today we're going to create our very own video game using the website Sploder. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to sign up. So you're going to click on sign up, figure out your username. Mine's going to be Mr. Dick's Brow Middle. Figure out your password. So I got my password in there, my email address. I'm going to use my NCLAC email address. I'm going to confirm that. I am 13 years old. I'm not a robot. And I'm going to go to register. So now once I've registered, I am going to be able to do a couple different things. I can play some games. I can go to my dashboard. The one thing I want to do is I want to make my own game. So I'm going to click on make your own game. And I have a bunch of different options. I have physics and puzzle maker. I have a classic shooter game. I have an algorithm game, a platform creator. I'm going to go with the retro arcade game creator because I think this one's really cool. So I'm going to click on this. And it's going to ask to enable Flash. You're going to have to do that. So enable Flash on your computer. If I'm doing this on a Chromebook and I need to make sure that I enable Flash, here's what I do. I go open my game. It's going to ask me to enable Flash. I just click on that. So if I need to enable Flash, here's what I'm going to do. I see down here that it wants me to enable Flash. I'm going to come up here into my toolbar and I'm going to click on this jigsaw puzzle with the X next to it. It says Flash was blocked on this page. I'm going to click on that and go to Manage. And then I'm going to make it so that for this site, they ask first. Okay? And so now I can close out of that. And then with this website, I can go to enable Flash. It's going to ask if I want to enable Flash. I'm just going to go ahead and click allow. And then I go to reload. Once I've enabled Flash on my computer, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click create. I'm going to create a new game. And then it's going to tell me that I can add my first level by pressing the plus button. So I'm going to click this plus button and I have my first level. Then I can add my first stage. So I click plus and I'm going to add a forest world. So I'm going to go ahead and press create. The first thing you'll notice when I enter the game is I have a lot of squares located on this screen. These squares are where I'm going to place things, okay? I'm going to start by showing you this left-hand side. If I go ahead and I click right up here, this is my undo button. I have undone whatever that was, and so this is how I can undo things, okay? If I go through and do all these kinds of things, and then I don't like it, I just click undo. Undo, 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 and I can go all the way back to the beginning. This button right here allows me to drag and move across the screen. So that hand allows me to do that. This is my paintbrush right here. And a paintbrush, all it does is whatever I have selected over on this side, I can just drag my mouse and it'll paint that in there. Okay? Right here's my eraser. I can go down and say I paint something in and I don't like all of it. I can go to my eraser and I can just erase certain parts of it. This like crossroads allows me to drag my player or a person or something that's on the screen to a different location. And then I also have some text and stuff. But we're going to just start with that basic premise right there. So I'm going to move my guy right here. So I'm going to just click on him and drag him up. The first thing, now when I come over to this right side of the screen, if I click on this top square, I have grounds that I can choose. I have backgrounds. I have scenery. I have all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to click on this ground. And I just drag to the right and I kind of figure out what kind of ground I want. And so since I want something like grassy, I'm going to click on that. And then once I click, it's right here and I go to my paintbrush and I can just drag it right in. So my ground is going to start just like that, okay? Then I'm going to have a little space here and I'm going to have this little drop right here. So that's something I have to take care of, okay? If I go to the next one, I can start doing treasures. So maybe I want a coin. And so I just click on my paintbrush. And I can draw some coins in. Okay? Maybe I want a magic spell. And I'm going to put that magic spell right up there. Okay? I can also come down here I have tons of different things I can do. I can do ability gems, shields, switches, tunnels, prickly things, spawn, all kinds of really cool things. Next thing, I want to add a baddie. So if I click on this, I can add different kinds of baddies. So I'm going to click on this pointy guy right here, and I'm going to drag him onto the screen. And I can just double click, and then that baddie will end up being there. Okay? If I want this helmet guy, just double click, and he ends up there. Okay? So now I'm gonna need to make sure that this is all working out so far. So if I go and I wanna check this out, I just have to go and press this green arrow and I can start playing my game. Ah! Oh no! Oh, that's a problem. Now, I see that I'm stuck. That's not gonna work. So now I need to go back and I need to drag down here and I need to erase this part. And erase that out so that if I do fall down there, I die. Alright, so now that works a little bit better. I'm gonna also move, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna move these guys over here. And I'm also gonna drag the ground a little bit over, but I want to make sure that I erase this bottom part out so that I can like fall down there and I don't get stuck down there. So that's one thing that we're gonna have to keep in mind. And then I can also do some background. I can drag some clouds in. Or maybe some trees. Oh, that's fun. Do a little scenery. Let's see here. What else can I do? Ooh, a waterfall. Here we go. And so there's some other cool things I can do. Let's put another baddie in here. I like a big baddie. We double click on this guy, get him right here. There we go. Now, I'm gonna, let's see, what other things can I do here? Can I do some pipes or something? Ooh, let's do a little springy platform. So I'm gonna have to jump onto that thing. And then, let's see what else we got. Blocks, some liquid. Let's make this all water. And let's see if we got any fish baddies. But now, cool thing I can do down here, I have my ground. Let's change the ground over. Let's move this, right? We're gonna move this over. I want this ground to come back. Whoops, I don't want that. Yuck. We'll go back to my water. And I'm gonna put some change and some treasure down here that makes it really worthwhile being here. So I can just go down here, double click, and then let's see what else we can do. Let's do like some ability gems. You know, make it worthwhile. Make it worth going down there. Platform again. Let's do another platform right here. I'm gonna scroll over. Another platform. Up here. And then, let's see. Let's add some mushrooms right there. Those are fun. We can jump on those. And then over here, I'm gonna add one more. Let's do one more like springy platform. And that's gonna be the end of my level essentially. And we'll put a really cool energy boost up here. Okay, so now When my level is done, it's just me jumping off the screen. Done! I got some problems in my game, but I can still make that happen. So now, once I've done that, and I'm like, okay, that's cool, that's cool. I can go and I can start a new stage. Do create. Now I would leave that stage. All right, so now I have 2 stages. So now I can go all the way back, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to save. And I'm gonna save this project as Mr. Dix's Wobulous Wonderful World. And click save, okay? Once I do that, I can click the share button. And I'm gonna keep it private. I'm not gonna allow any comments. And I'm gonna do publish. And now I can get link for my game. So I click get link. I'm gonna highlight that. Put this link in my new thing up here. This game is private, but I have the key. And I can just start playing my game. I'm gonna choose my player. I'm gonna go her. Level 1, stage 1. Oh no, I died already on my own game. This is terrible. It's so hard. I'm terrible at my own video game. Go down and get all these cool things. I'm running out of air. Oh no. No, I lost my own game. I gotta retry. I can't even beat my own game. All right, we're gonna get it this time. Yeah, stage complete. Let's go. Level 1, stage 2. Yeah, game. Then once you have that link, you're just gonna go to your classroom assignment, click on add or create, go to link. You're gonna paste that link into this section right here, go to add link. And then once it's uploaded, you're gonna go ahead and click on turn in, and then I'll be able to play the game, and you can share that game with any of your friends, and all your friends could then play your amazing video game that you created today. So give it a shot. I'm gonna make some videos for the other types of games that you can create as well, but this is a good place to start.